What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's Tuesday. Time for another food review. You know what, man? Dude, it is so hot today. It is just like steamy, like muggy out here. I even got the fan going still. Look. And it still feels like I'm just sitting out in the sun. But it don't feel like that. It just feels like a sauna in here. That feels a little better. Yeah, man. Anyways, there's like a storm out there. Kind of like it's not gonna be a hurricane, but it's by Louisiana and Southeast Texas, like in between them. They don't know where it's going yet. I haven't really checked it today, but still, man, it's so hot. It's been so hot recently that this is probably gonna be a pretty active hurricane season, tropical storm. I'll let y'all know, man. Hurricane and a tropical storm. The only difference is wind speed. Cause that's how it forms out in the waters when the waters are so hot. But alright, see that my fence over there? Back in 2008 when we had Hurricane Ike, our fence, that was only a Category 2 hurricane. But my fence got knocked down and it totally got wiped out. Galveston like destroyed it. It was bad. They took them a couple years to rebuild it. But anyways, today, man, I gotta. Dude, I swear I've eaten this place every day. Ooh, they're so hot too. No, I mean like oven hot. Went to Chick-fil-A and got. Let me take the packaging off, the paper. Bro. Oh, it's greasy too. Oh. What the hell? Got grease on me or something. Huh. Dirty Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. Now, they have that good seasoning to them. McDonald's, y'all can't. McDonald's, just stop making chicken nuggets. Everyone go to Chick-fil-A and get these. But anyways, I'm only gonna eat 12 because I'm still on my little cut meal. I eat Chick-fil-A like every day for lunch. But anyways, man, I usually get a grilled option, but these are only $3.30. I mean $3.90, $400 with chocolate milk. So that's only $5.50 for lunch. It's not too bad. But I'm just gonna eat 12 of these. Let me count out 12. Oh shit! Oh, I didn't. You count out 12 for y'all. And hold on. I got one. I can't. Let me push my computer back so I can count out 12 chicken nuggets. Sorry about this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh yeah. So the rest I'm gonna give to my family member, my dad, for lunch. It's a good meal, you know, good cut meal. 390 calories, you know. Oh my god. They're so good. Don't need sauce. This is also my post-workout meal. Because today, I did shoulders. Let me show y'all. Oh yeah. I was doing a 35, 5, and 2.5 for my top set. So, on shoulders, I like to do 4 sets of 5. Oh yeah, that was my top set. Sorry, a guy walked in, but anyway, so I usually I'll work out, drink some chocolate milk for my whey protein. If you didn't know, chocolate milk is natural whey protein. And it doesn't fill you up. So then I can eat a whole protein source. But I like better than the tub of whey protein. And chocolate milk is cheap. Whey protein's like $60 a tub. There's like 40 grams of protein in these. Bucky approves. You know, I used to not like Chick-fil-A. I used to be skeptical of it, but now I start eating it every day. That's really good. Notice I can get the fries though. Don't need them. Yeah. So thank you. Chick-fil-A's nuggets are the greatest. I mean, look at this. It's pure chicken. How much crust? It has a good seasoning. I wish I could eat more, but that's all I need for lunch. Alright. Eat Chick-fil-A nuggets. They're good for you post-workout. And just eat them in general, because they're good. Alright, subscribe to my channel. B-Rax Talks. I will see y'all later.